All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview here for February 20th, 2023 to February 24th, 2023. No school on Monday, and then Friday I have office hours 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And the mid-quarter deadline, where all your work must be submitted, is by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, February 26th. So it's quarter 3, week 5, Monday no school. Tuesday in live class, we'll understand tips and tricks on how to be smart consumers when shopping. Your key terms there: promotional sale, clearance sale, lost leaders, buzzwords, and weasel words. Lesson Being a Smart Consumer, Part A. CYU on Wednesday, persuasive advertising techniques. Thursday, the lesson Being a Smart Consumer, Part B, with key terms BBB, revoked, FTC, FDA, and DOT. And then Friday, the CYU Consumer Protection Agencies. So have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Take care. Bye-bye.